In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to transfer XRP from Robinhood to Cold Wallet. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your smartphone device, and then from here you'll need to open up Robinhood like you usually would. Then from here it should look something like this once you get inside of your account. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to scroll down to your XRP portfolio like so. And then from here, once you get there, you'll just need to click on XRP. Just scroll down until you see the send feature. Once you get inside of the send feature, you will need to write in the address for your cold wallet. And then from here, you'll just need to click next and then click transfer. As you can see, I cannot show it right now because of private settings, but this is really just how you do it. Then from here, you'll just need to click confirm and then authenticate the transaction. And then from here, in a couple minutes to an hour, you'll get the XRP from Robinhood to your cold wallet. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya.